still styling, this shit go boom. Want more.
relationships they seem from the start. It's more so the love is not together from the heart. Say it out. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is. Screaming demon voice, deadly, moving slow. It was so mellow, felt like the boogie. Hey, late, so better lay low. Screaming on hot money in the whole show. The low pro hoe should be cut like an afro. So what you saying, huh? She's winning to you, but I know she's a loser. How do you know? Me and the crew used to do her. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is. It's driving me out of my mind. That's why it's hard for me to find. Can't get it out of my head. Miss her, kiss her, love her. That girl is. Take the ball in that night. I play the ball. Picking out the colors, my highs and lows. People when I open, still rocking the hoes. Bills with the regular girls that I put the reds. Boys you asking me what I would check. Rock over there, sick, and I'm gonna be sure. Bell, fifth, the ball. How you know? Yo, slick. I'm
see I got the money, $100 bill, Johnny. If where I'm from, then you would know that I gotta get mine in a big black truck. You can get yours in a 6-4. Whatever it is, the party's underway. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say, I'm kind of buzzed all because this is how we do it. South Central does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. Oh, my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track, bring the old school back. This is how we do it. I'm kind of buzzed all because this is how we do it. South Central does it like nobody does. Nobody does. YMB, FCC. This is how my homies. I'll never come back on an old school track. This is how we do it. Check it out. Once upon a time in 94, Montel make no money and life show was slow. And all they said was 6'8" he stood. And people thought the music that he made was good. They lived the DJ and Paul was his name. He came up to money, this is what he said. You and OG are gonna make some cash. Sell a million records and we're making the dash. If you where I'm from, then you would know that I gotta get mine in a big black truck. You can get yours in a 6-4. Whatever it is, the party's underway. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up and let me hear the party say, I'm kinda buzzed and it's all because this is how we do it. South Central does it like nobody does. This is how we do it. All my neighbors, you got much flavor. This is how we do it. Let's flip the track with the old school back. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. All hands are in the air and wait from here to there. If you're an OG Mac or a wannabe player, you see the hood's been good to me ever since I was a lowercase G. But now I'm a big G. The girls see I got the money, $100 bill, Johnny. If you where I'm from, then you would know that I gotta get mine in a big black truck. You can get yours in a 6-4. Whatever it is, the party's underway. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up because the party's here. I'm kind of buzzed so because so dancing like nobody does. All my neighbors, you got much flavor. Let's flip the track to the old school.
If you can get close enough, cold crush like the 4. Sting of anaconda, fierce darts that'll pierce through solid armor. Lounge in the barracks with Blue and Capadonna. Spider-Man, identity, Peter Parker. Crowd please, I register off the meter. Vocal street sweeper, buckshot through the speaker. Pleasure seekers, 50,000 in the stands. Two fans, get it hot like Jamaica sand. Conquer land wide like an eagle wingspan. Clansman, stabbing the track with both hands. Not a lost soul who fought for fool's gold. A style like a diamond in the true state of cold. Too hot to handle, too cold to hold back. With a roadblock, I might lose control. Hold the globe in my iron palm. One hand holds the firearm. On a mission that's lifelong. Strike calm through the fire like Shaka Khan. Worldwide on the hook without the .com. The way contenders surrender. PKO, first round knockout, facts to big spenders. Journey on the mic like Marco Polo. Internally in the covers to your photo. Thoughts brought forth as well as up north. It's a blood sport. Get rushed for tough talk, but I hold my ground like it's high noon. While police takes around the mic room, hold the globe in my iron palm. One hand holds the firearm, on a mission that's lifelong. Thoughts brought forth as wild as up north is a blood sport. Get rushed for tough talk, but it'll be swarming. Protecting that was the warning, so proceed with caution. I walk with my sportmen, we all in together. Wu-Tang forever gon' win. From Puerto Rico, across the caves of Berlin, echoing through cell blocks of federal pens to be the Wu-Tang. You came and went, it's the game till the end. I am bent, sharp as barbed wire fence. I represent, sort of make a grand entrance with a daily lecture. Contents under pressure, inspector, put your rep in the stretcher. The way contenders surrender to KO. Round neck out, back to big splendors. Journey on the mic like Marco Polo. Internal bleeding occurs to your photo. Keep up, walk as well as up north is a blood sport. Get rough for tough talk. When I hold my ground like it's high noon. When police take surrender the mic room. Hold the globe in my iron palm. One hand hold the firearm. On a mission that's lifelong. Walk as well as up north is a blood sport. Get rough for tough talk.
Something like this. Tag team back again. Check it to record, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoice. There's a party over here, a party over there. Wave your hands in the air, shake the dairy, yeah. These three words when you get in there, say boom. There it is, hey man.
Lockerz.
Fuck no.
momentum. Now, how do you get in the zone? Right, and I'm glad you asked. People love to watch a fire burn. When a fire starts to when a fire starts to when a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. You don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, in the midst of everything that's going on, how do you build your personal momentum? How do you get in the zone? Right, and I'm glad you asked. People love to watch a fire burn. All right, here's my last one. My last one is Carl, you gotta give me that term again. It's spontaneous combustion, as I think is what they call it, right? And what happens is, when a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. She don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. She don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. She don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn, right, and it starts to spread, she gonna bring that attitude home. She don't wanna do nothing with their life. When a fire starts to burn,